Hey, my peeps, let's make a cute little patriotic, I don't know, mini cake, a small cake. It's like one of those takeaway cakes that you have at the supermarket with a cover. So I cut this styrofoam out to the shape of to fit inside the little mini heart-shaped pan. Now I got red, white, and blue spackle that I had left over from something else, and it's perfect for this. So I'm just going to make a flower swirl in the corner. This is very easy to do. And then I'm going to make red and white stripes with two different tips. I used 1M and then a round tip. And the flower is also 1M. So basically you're just going to fill up the little pan to give it the little like stripes. And it looks so cute. So then I'm just going to go again with the star tip and just make some more stripes. And then I'll come back with the white. And that's basically our cupcake or a little mini cake with a cover. That looks so cute. So now I'm just going to put a little sprinkles on it. Because, you know, cake has sprinkles on it. So I'm just going to get a little bit, not too much. I'm not going to put a lot on top of it. Just a little bit. And then I'm also going to put a little bit of glitter on it. Just to make it sparkle a little bit. And then that's it. And then we cover it up. And we got our little mini, I don't know, this is like the size of a cupcake. But it's a mini cake. A little mini patriotic cake that goes perfect on your tea tray. There you go. Look how cute those look. So make sure you get those Valentine mini pans out and make you some. Talk to you soon. Bye.